most enterprise GenAI initiatives fail, and the hidden costs can be massive. Lost time, wasted resources, and missed opportunities. Ever wondered why? Much of it comes down to insufficient readiness. Without a solid foundation in data quality, privacy, security, and scalability, even the best efforts fail. The Squirro Enterprise GenAI platform solves many of these core challenges, helping you bridge your organization's AI readiness gap. Squirro seamlessly connects to 100+ enterprise platforms out of the box, delivers up to 99% accuracy with Graph RAG, ensures ISO-compliant security, and scales permission-enabled deployments to more than 10,000 users. Set your AI ambitions up to succeed. With our robust platform at the core, you'll be able to focus on what truly matters, delivering value to your customers and stakeholders. Find out how Squirro can help you bridge your AI readiness gap in our latest guide.